Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install and uninstall Apache in Windows by using Ansible Playbook on Oracle Linux 8.5. Ansible can be used for managing cloud provisioning, configuration management, application deployment, and many such IT requirements. Windows Installer, also known as Microsoft Installer or MSI, is a kind of installer developed by Microsoft for use in the Microsoft operating system. Winget URL downloads files from HTTP, HTTPS, or FTP to Node. Windows package installs or uninstall a package in either an MSI or exe format.
First, I'm going to check the Oracle Linux version. We are currently using Oracle Linux Server version 8.5. Now I'm going to check the availability of Ansible package. Use the following command. Now I'm going to check the availability of Python 3 pip package. Use the following command. Now I'm going to check the availability of the Python package. Now I'm going to create inventory for Windows Node system. Use the following command. Make insert the Windows Node system information. Now save and quit. Now I'm going to create a playbook for downloading and installing Apache. Make insert. This is the module to download the package. This is the URL. This is the location where the downloaded package will be stored. And the next one is to install package. We use win_package module. Select the path and select the state as present. Now save and quit. Now I am going to check the syntax. Use the following command. Now I am going to run the install.yaml playbook. Use the following command. Now the task has been completed. Now go to Windows machine. As we can see, the downloaded package has been successfully downloaded and stored in this location. Now I am going to check whether the Apache is installed or not. In the search bar, search Apache, open file location. As you can see, the Apache is installed. Now I am going to create playbook for uninstalling Apache in Windows. Make insert. Now save and quit. Now I'm going to check the syntax. Use the following command. The syntax is okay. Now I'm going to run the uninstall.yaml playbook. Use the following command. Once the task has been done, go to Windows machine. In the Windows search bar, search Apache. As you can see, there is no application. Go to Program Files, Apache Software Foundation, Apache. As you can see, only log and conf files only will be there. The Apache package has been uninstalled successfully. With this, how to install and uninstall Apache in Windows by using Ansible Playbook on Oracle Linux 8.5 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.